up? Welcome back to my channel, GlamBySam. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be another haul, and this video is going to be a try-on summer haul. I got some really cute clothes for summer that I really wanted to share with you guys, so I thought I would make a video about it because that's like the easiest way to share this with you guys. I'm not making this video like to brag in any way or something. I just want to show you guys these clothes so you can maybe get inspiration if you're also needing some new summer clothes. So before I start, I want to say if during this video you do happen to enjoy it, then I would love it if you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future uploads. But without further ado, let's just get into the video. So I'm going to start with one of the things I'm like most excited about, and those are a pair of new shoes that I've been wanting for quite some time, and these are from Buffalo. So this of course a box. I will show you guys what they look like. I've been wanting a pair of Buffalo shoes for quite some time now, but they're pretty pricey and I didn't really know which one I wanted to get, and then I saw these ones on sale and I already saw them and tried them on when I was in London in February. I actually didn't end up buying them because they were pretty pricey. I kind of regretted not buying them. So let me show you guys what they look like. But those are the shoes. How pretty are they? I will take them out of the box for you. And they're just like a white platform sneaker. Buffalo have those shoes that have like an even higher platform, but I thought like these were like good enough. But they just kind of have sort of like mesh detail here, and then they are just white, and they say like this Buffalo in the back and here and on the front right here, and I think they're really cool, and I'm so glad that I bought these because they're really nice. They also come with like a dust bag and stuff, so that's pretty nice. Not that I will be using that because I will be wearing them a lot this summer, but it's a nice thing if you have a lot of shoes and you want to like keep them nice and stuff. My white shoes always get pretty dirty like very quickly, but I don't want these to get dirty because they're so pretty. So I will see. I have to be very careful with them. I got these in my regular size, but they run pretty big, so you could size down, I guess. They didn't have a size down, so I just went with these ones, and they are fine, but they're nice and they were on sale, so I definitely will be keeping them and be wearing them a lot during summer. The next thing I got is a shirt I'm actually wearing right now, and I will show this in a try on in a minute so you can see it better. But that is from Lovies. I will stand up for you. It just says "Let the good times roll." I think it's a really adorable print. Actually, when I saw this, I immediately really liked it, and this size is like perfect for me. However, I do find it a bit strange that I need a size small because I have other Lovies shirts that are in a size large and they're like not even like that big or anything. So it's pretty strange to keep that in mind if you are a size small, because then this will probably be really oversized for you as well. But for me, this one fits very nicely. So then I have one other thing from Lovies, and that is something I'm pretty excited about as well. That is this wrap style dress. It's a really pretty like purple with pink and green and black like floral printed dress. And once I tried it on, I really fell in love with it because it's a super pretty dress. I really like the way it fits on my body, and it's just a very nice dress for summer. I really like these type of dresses. The sleeves are a little longer than I usually have. You'll see in the try on how long they are, but I do really like that, so it's like a little bit different. So those were the things I got from Lovies, and now I have something from a store called Stradivarius. So this is a really like cute dress. Kind of reminds me like of a picnic plaid, I think, but it's just a really pretty like pink and white dress. I don't really know like how to describe this, but once I saw it, I really like the color, and I think it goes with my hair really well, especially when my hair is a little bit more pink. I think it's just perfect for summer because it's really comfortable actually, and I can't wait to wear this. I'm so bad at describing clothes, but you can probably see what they look like on better. So I have a couple of things left to show you, and I'm going to start with this dress. So as you can see, this is a super pretty color lilac dress. I came across this boutique on Instagram, and when I saw them posting this dress, I think it was super pretty. I really like the color, and it's kind of like a leopard print, but it's like purple with white, so I think that's really nice, and it has like an elastic band right here at the waist. So this is from a store called In the Mirror, and I believe it's like an Amsterdam boutique. So I never really ordered or bought something from them before, but it just feels like good quality, and this is a size medium large. That's like the only downside. A lot of these like smaller boutiques, they have a lot of clothes that are like either one size or they are like a small medium or a medium large, and usually I think I will need a large extra large because I just don't want things to be like too tight. But this is a medium large and it fits well. I just have this little like tank top underneath because otherwise there's a little bit too much cleavage and I don't want people to see my bra. So I just have this for like underneath. And then the last two things I also really like, and those are also from like an online boutique. They're just like located in my country, so I didn't really have to worry about things shipping from like really far. So they both arrived pretty fast. So the store that these things are from is called Hello My Love, and it's just like an online store. I'm not sure if they also have like a boutique in real life. But this skirt is from the brand by Clara, and it's also a medium large. It's a really like pretty flowy like floral skirt. Lately I've been really into like the peach color. I think it's a really pretty color and I really like it for summertime. And this is just like a layered ruffle skirt, and it's very comfortable and just goes with a lot of things. I also really like it with the shirt I'm wearing right now. I don't really have a lot of things to say about this skirt either. It's just really nice and I can't wait to wear this. And then the last thing I got is from that same store, but it's actually from a different brand. This is the brand called Ambika, and that is this peachy rep style like cardigan, and I've been seeing these quite a lot on Instagram as well, and I thought they were so cute. They have them in a lot of colors, but I went for this peachy one because let me show you guys. How cute are those two pieces together? This is in a one size. I'm usually not a big fan of one size things because I don't think that one size can fit like everyone. But this one runs pretty big. It's still like a bit too big on me, but I do think that's a nice look. Okay guys, and these were the clothes that I got. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you liked the clothes. Also again, if you did enjoy this video, then I would love it if you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So with that said, I want to thank you guys all so much for watching. I really hope you have an amazing day, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!